August dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this viral add your sticker and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to my profile, you will have to go to August add yours at highlights. Here you will find that sticker. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours. So it's best to go to August add yours at highlights because it will remain there. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below so you can check that. Now click on the highlight and tap until you find your desired sticker. It's somewhere at the end. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now we just have to choose our photos from August. You have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo. The uploads are in the left bottom corner. I will go with this one. Now to add another photo, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down, and then click here on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery and you can choose your second photo. And to place it where you want, to make it bigger or smaller, you have to zoom in and zoom out just like this. And guys, once you're happy with your story, you just have to share this with your friend. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.